Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and it's Monday today, so the start of our week. As we can see, Bitcoin is already pulling back off of the weekend, which we 100% expected. We were looking at Ethereum, and we were actually short on Ethereum, and I actually closed about like 392% profit in my short last night. I could have had much more if I held it, but I actually started scooping up along around 1580. But back to Bitcoin, around 21 to 21.3 is where we were trying to see if we were going to hold above. We actually tapped above it and then we broke under it. So anyone who took that short over there is pretty much lucky because you got the third lower high. A potential head and shoulder is starting to form here, and then we can see if that breaks down to lower levels or not. So the first level of support today is where we're at right now, around 20,600. 20,700, and then having a 4-hour open and close underneath 20,600, 700, you should be looking for the next layer of support around 20,400, which was the level of support on the breakout, 20,004. And then after that is going to be the 19.6, the 19.6, 19.7 level, okay? Yeah, you got 20K as a little bit of support, but that even number is probably going to break. And yeah, right now we're waiting to see. Are we going to hold above 20,500 to 20,700? If so, we can use this as support and then climb up higher to the extension, which kind of basically already tapped. If we lose 20,700 with the 4-hour open and close, you will be looking for downside. Okay, and then we got to see if 20,500 will hold it, or 20,000 even, or is it going to the 19-ish level. Here's the 4-hour, so that way we have a little bit more to look at it. And as you can see in the 4-hour, we've already came above our resistance and are falling back down. We are now lower than here. We would have hoped that this was going to be support 20,800, but it looks like now 20,800 is once again our resistance to the downside. So if anyone is trying to take a short, I would not say don't. From 20,008 to 20,950, like 21K is a short worth taking with a stop loss above this previous high. So that's like a $500 wiggle room if you take that 20K short, and then you can wait for that to roll over. I would be taking my profits starting at 20,300, and then I would go like, 20,000 and so on. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin, is where is support. If we find the support, we can go sideways and then up. If we can't find support, we're going to trickle down. Right now, this is support. If once we lose this level here, 20,300 to 20,000 even, once this level is lost, we can say, okay, longs are officially trapped. We're going to start going down and breaking lows. Volume wise, I mean, it's kind of whatever. There's no real anything I can really tell on this, so we're just gonna let this one slide and see how this plays out today. Are we gonna close above 20,800 or not? If not, we're just gonna roll on down until we get above 20,800 with the 4-hour open and close. It's all just downside to me. So that's Bitcoin for you guys, unfortunately. Let's go to the daily of Ethereum. So here's Ethereum. We were short yesterday, took profit like right around here, and I scalped along around 1580, if I'm not mistaken. Check. Took a long at 1580, correct. So I have a little bit of a long here, but what we'll do is as New York opens today, I will be looking to short. I'm trying to see, are we gonna poke up over here to 1750 or not? Because I've been waiting for 1750 to 1780 for a while. If we don't, and we are already just putting in this little, you know, rollover like a little head and shoulder, then we were gonna probably lose 1500 to the downside, and then I could be more confident in my short. So from 1500, we can go down to 1250 and under. So today is all about closing above 1580 with 4-hour open and closes. We can look for higher. If we close under 1580, with 4 hour open and close, then more than likely the path to downside will be started. And then 1580, we're going to be looking for 1500 and then under. Okay. Hopefully we get a bounce here so we don't have to go lower. But if we lose this 1500, 1510 level, we should be looking for lower. So between 1580 and 1540, we're going to be doing a little dance today. And then we'll see if we can hold it. If not, if we lose 1500, downside we come. And I'm looking for 1500, yeah, and then I'm looking for this like 1460 to see if we can get a bounce off of that and then scalp along. So as of right now, why I was shorting here is because it was the top of the channel. So I was like, let's just see if we roll back onto support and then go back up, and it's kind of happening that way. Now, though, if you look at it, it kind of looks like it's trying to do a head and shoulder right here, and then it's gonna really like do like one of these. There, one of these, like one of these. Bam, 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 bam. Quasimodo shoulder and Bart down. And see if we come to like this level over here around 1433. Yeah, how ironic is that shit? Yeah, I honestly do think we're gonna come over here somewhere, and then we can look to see if we bounce up from here or not. So I'm just gonna relax today. This weekend was a lot of fun, and I'm still a little tired. Last night I came on and did a good little heated session with everyone, and Lemons was there too. So you can obviously see the difference in the way we trade. I mean, he just said yesterday he don't even look at volume and stuff, and I don't know how he's trading like divergences and stuff. So I don't know. Today he will be holding a free trading lesson I saw when I woke up. So please feel free to join that free trading lesson and learn a thing or two on the way that he's doing his stuff. And then, yeah, I will try to see if I can hang out with you guys after the daily close today because I get out at work at 8. So maybe like 10, 15 minutes after 8, I can get on live for like a half an hour and see if any of the things that we are saying play out. So, yeah. As of right now, I was telling everyone last night that I was gonna scalp along at 1540-ish to 1500. We literally missed that level by like $5, I think. Let me show you how I scalp. Here's my 15-minute chart. Of course, none of my fibs have populated. There it is. All right. So this is what I was looking for. I was looking for this 1540-ish level. We got as low as 1546. So I was $6 off from this long scale. But if this wants to do it the way that I want, it'll go like this. And you'll get one more attempt to scalp that long. Maybe we come up to here and then roll back down over. Something like that. It makes sense. So kind of like what I'm looking for right now is confirmation of this bull flag consolidation. And since this bull flag came back to break out and is trying to consolidate here, if we do go sideways and hold this level as support around like 1580, yeah, 1560, 1580, you will see us try one more time to break out of the channel, and then we can see if we break out or not. If we do get up there and then fall back down, we can hold a 1580 as support this time and then break out, break out. So I'll be watching this. I'm just gonna leave this here for now. Uh, it ain't gonna. I'm not stressed because I'm already long at 1580, so it's a couple dollar under me. And then what I want to do is I really want the long from here, so I'll DCA into my long here. If we do pump up into market open, I will try to look for a short around 1600, 1610 again. Um, yeah, that's my plan for Ethereum. Now let's go to Dixie, not daily. See these lower time frames I will only be doing with members. I'm not going to be doing that for just everyone because I am giving away a lot of my secret sauce, and I can see now, look, I just got front run for a few books. You know, stuff like that. I just don't want to invite myself to give away my edge in the future. So, yeah, I'm going to keep my group small. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, keep in mind, guys, membership. We are doing members for $20 a month, and this month is the last month of free service. Next month, I'm gonna ask everyone to actually pay the $20 a month so I can get everything geared up for starting January. There are gonna be a bunch of new things and ideas that I'm working on that I'll move forward with after your approval. The first thing we're gonna do in December for Christmas is once all the members are in and like I have it situated, I'm gonna give out a what are those, a hard wallet? It was a Ledger Nano. Hold on, I just got in the mail. Let me double check. Is it an S X? What the heck? It is a Ledger Nano X, the one that has Bluetooth in there and stuff. This is like a really nice hardware wallet. It's the newer version. I have the Ledger Nano S. I have the shittier one. This is the nicer one. But yeah, one of the members is going to be getting it in Christmas. So that way you can start protecting your crypto gains, which we should be making together. Yeah, so here is Dixie. This is the last thing I wanted to show before we bounce. It is fighting that same 110 consolidation level. We found that huge rejection from the golden pocket on Friday, which led to that nice ass rally. Now it looks like we're actually losing and going more to the downside. So today, if we start closing under 109.58 and can't hold this as support, it's an issue that tomorrow we can see another rally into the markets as well as crypto until this finds some support. So I'm actually going to put an alert over here because right now it's on the middle of the channel. So it technically can just go sideways and up from here if it wants to. But yeah, if it breaks the middle of the channel, that's also a freaking warning for us. So let's just leave it at like 110. Sure. If this alert hits, I need to warn myself, yo, careful with your shorts. Dixie is gonna pump equity. So it's like a good signal for me to like, hey, if I'm on like a large scalp, sometimes you just market close that position because this things move fast. So if this thing's giving you a warning, you freaking take it, man. Look at how crazy of a dump we had Friday for you to pump. And as we open CME, it's still pushing down. So obviously Bitcoin Ethereum might get that push up. And I'm glad I have that long just in case because this is making me think that we might get a little bit more room to the upside before it rolls over. So be careful on this. I did not turn on pre-market and stuff, so I don't know what's going on. But at least you guys got a good, clear picture of what to expect from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dixie. I will follow up with equities a little bit later. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Be safe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the section below. If you want to trade live with me, feel free to join us in the Discord server. The link is in the description of this video below. I hope to see you guys soon. Especially, I'm so excited for members to come join on. Yesterday we hit 300 YouTube subs, so whoop whoop, just knocking milestone after milestone down, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Be safe.